Today is Friday, February 24th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado brake assist hydro boost for my friend Mike Timken in New York. This is a show quality restoration whereby the unit has been completely disassembled and fully restored. Okay, and the unit has been calibrated for the 76 Eldorado. This is the first generation introduction of the hydro boost, started in 1976 by GM Cadillac. We have 3 ports in the hydro boost. We have the high pressure feed line coming from the power steering pump. We have the high pressure line for the steering gearbox coming out and providing a full fluid circuit out of the booster to the steering pump. And then we have the reservoir refill portal. The unit has been completely rebored and precision lapped with a replacement spool valve, and all of the internal components and ancillaries changed out. So it is a show quality restoration. It's been performance tuned and tested on an existing 76 Eldorado prior to me doing the final validation video. And this will be going out to Mike as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado items in my collection, and over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as these fully restored brake assist hydro boosters, as well as the predecessor year vacuum assist hydro boosters. Today is Friday, February 24th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.